Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed due to your work? Or do you consistently find yourself caught up in a loop of figuring out how to manage everything by yourself? What if I told you that there's a better way that exists? Okay, picture this. You have certain ambitions for your business. Let's say you want to touch X amount of sales in the next 6 months. But there's only limited time and energy that you can invest. How will you break free from this constraint? The answer lies in a very simple mindset shift, focusing on who, not how. Who, not how, which is also a book by Dan Sullivan and Benjamin Hardy. As leaders, founders, and entrepreneurs, this approach focuses on delegation and collaboration to accelerate teamwork and achieve higher results. If you involve yourself into regular operational tasks that require effort, you might save out on some extra margins, but lose out on the ability to think out of the box. Instead of focusing on how of the project, focus on who can help you accomplish it. And invest in people who excel in areas where you lack expertise. Rather than dwelling on the process, figure out the implementation and delegate it. If you'd like to watch more such marketing and business videos, please follow the Karishmaa Singhal.